Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial, we are just gonna learning really something special class. Day by day, we are learning new tools and how to make a new type of and professional design. Last day we learned the brush tools, and now we have this pencil tools. It's not like that, so it have a magic class, so that is known as color replacement tool. So what is the color replacement? For example, so you have a mangoes images like this, but if you want to make it like this background mangoes turn into green, so how to do that? You don't have to copy any kind of layer or nothing, so you just do it like in some pics. So how to do that? So in here we have to do it like when we go through like this is their brush tools. Again, I told that this is the brush tools option in here. So in here you can find an icon like that. So just click in here, just press it, and you get an option like this is the pencil tools and there's a color replacement tools. So when we just make a color replacement tools activated, so you have to find a like option in here. This mode is color. So in here, let me tell you, so when you just change this color like in the brush, so always you have to select it. This option is color, and this is the limits, and this will be work is discontinuous, and the tolerance will be you can fix your tolerance. When you work on that, you can fix your tolerance, how to fix it and how to edit on that. So this is it. So I just make a tolerance little bit less. So this is it. So now my color is a bit so you can choose the color in here. So I choose I just make this red mangoes turn into green mangoes. So this is it, and this is done. And now when you just zoom it, and you can see just when you click on that, just click on that, and if you make it tolerance little bit more like 56, so it will work on that. So I just and remember, when you increase the tolerance, it will be selected every single area. So if for example, so if you just your tolerance like this, so this is not working at all in your A side, so you have to increase the tolerance little bit more and then click it. So this is boom. So this is our images, and now we can turn it to this as yellow image turn into this green mangoes. So this is it. So now I think this is it for today's so every single thing we are trying to be learning something really special and single tool in Adobe Photoshop. So if you want to learn in Adobe Animate, Adobe Illustrator, or many more interesting software, so what are you waiting for? Just subscribe. So see you in another class, and thank you. Assalamu alaikum for today's, and please subscribe and make this family bigger. Thank you.